Y'all know what a nigga be going through. That life shit. Pressure. Let's sit back and listen to what I gotta say.
Evolutionbeats.com. Coming up wasn't easy for a cat like me. Rest in peace to my mother, who I wasn't able to see. You can say I was something like a rebel. My pain so deep, you couldn't reach it with a shovel. So listen, I was a youngin' chillin' on the block with the OGs, but they always used to say, Nick, don't be like me. Go to school, get your paper, and further your education. Selling crack to the fiends is our daily occupation. So I took heed to the words Hot Rod said, but my stomach was growling cause them niggas was getting bread. Riding candy, staying fly on the slab, getting head. All this shit was playing games with my motherfucking head. But at the same time, Pops brought me up in the right way. I knew the consequences of living life in the fast lane. Try to live right, but the devil won't let up. A lot of pressure on me and I'm really getting fed up. I'm ready for the day I can't let this pressure go away. That's why I'm staying patient as I wait, cause I know that the Lord will make a way.
What you know about long road, wrong route? All these road signs with no way out. I'm just trapped in the cage. The pressure and rage got me thinking that the same old things have done changed. And I live by a phrase that nobody lives by. Sit back, watch you kill yourself as I get high. Now I don't know your name and I don't know your story. I don't even wanna know it, cause it can't do nothing for me. I'm trying to find a way, but the pressure got me wanting to fucking snap and the devil wanting to stop me. But fuck that nigga, I know that there's a better way. Lord's way, my way. But one of these fucking days I'ma rip the fucking page out the book, cause fuck a book. I'm so sick of walking backwards, need to pause and take a look at my life and realize where I am. Got both of my hands palmed up on my face like, damn.
I'm ready for the day when I can let this pressure go. I'm staying patient as I wait, cause I know that the Lord will make a way.
Yeah, I hear them talking, but they so far off topic. And I don't fuck with gossip, let that bullshit keep on walking. Now they gawking at me like I'm so wrong, cause I'm waving body language saying so long. I'm in search of the reason for deep breathing, heavy thinking, vice versa. Won't hurt you to take a break from all your hating. Sit back, try to hear what I'm saying. I ain't in so long, but here lately been praying for the patience it takes to remain at a safe distance from mistakes of disgrace and assistance if gave. Yeah, I'd appreciate it, but can't wait with hands out. Some ventilation is needed, so pants down. On the left, allow me to speak on the right and use this mic to justify my life. Another long day, followed by a long night, then got me tensing up tight with the phone mic. I mean, this microphone alone with the nice beat makes me feel alright. Helps release the pressure, lets a nigga breathe. Eases the mind and find peace. Eases the mind and find peace.
I'm ready